Hello and welcome back to the channel. It's been a minute since I posted a video because we have been super duper busy around here. I thought I would show you what we've been up to, the reason that I haven't. So if I pan to the back of our yard, all the way from that corner of the fence there down to that area is all dirt, because we had bamboo, which you see right back here. It's like 7 feet tall or so. I don't know who lived here before us, but they planted it. If you've never had it in your yard, it is extremely invasive and it was taking over everything. Last year we had some come up and actually poke through the bottom of our pool liner. So we had to get rid of that pool. I did buy a new one for this year though, so I had to go all out here through the yard and dig up all of the roots to that bamboo by hand. It's all like connected. No matter how far it spreads, they come from like one central root, and so you start digging one up and then it pulls and goes over to a different area into a whole nother group of it. So that was a pain in the butt. That took 5 days to dig out by hand on my own. And then another 4 days I spent digging this little circle out about 2 inches or so, because this is where the pool is going this year. Made sure that I ripped out all of the roots that I could find, and then I poured this little concrete slab, so hopefully nothing can poke up through the bottom of it again. This is dry, and we are getting ready to set the pool itself up today. So that has been our last couple of weeks. Right after Easter, that following week, we had our neighborhood rummage sale. So we ended up, that entire week was spent marking things and getting them ready. Did pretty good on the sale though. So my project for today is to get the swimming pool set up in that little concrete area, possibly wash the outside windows, but definitely busy. Just wanted to give you guys a little update on why I haven't posted in a minute. Let me know what you guys' summer projects are for your yards in the comments down below. I want to know if you're putting in a garden, if you're putting up a pool, are you landscaping, rearranging? We are doing raised garden beds this year. I have all of my seedlings plants are started in the house and they are ready to go outside. So as soon as this pool goes up, that is my next project, is making those raised beds, and I will show you guys how I do that whenever the time comes. And until then, I will see you guys in our next video. Okay, so we are 2 days out from the last bit that I filmed of this video. As you can see, the pool is up and it is filled. And it is raining and cold outside. So while we were excited to get the pool up, it is going to be a minute before we get to swim in it. But it is operating. You can see the ripples there from the pump pushing the water around. I need to get my net and clean all these little... We have one of those, like we used to call these helicopters when I was little, but we have one of those like helicopter trees in the backyard, so they're getting all in the water. So I'm going to clean this out, add some chlorine to it. I just wanted to show you guys what it looks like now that it is up.